Open the Taskmaster. If the macro is unblocked, this is what you see. If you can't open the file, or don't see the file picker, shown here, watch the video on how to unblock the macro, and then come back. On this screen, you pick the target file. Click the radio button, and pause for 1 second while the directory is accessed. When the directory appears, navigate to the file that will be extracted and reported, select it, and then click Open. The macro returns to the file picker and displays the full file name. Click Go to continue or Cancel to quit. The target file opens. If this is the first run on that file, the macro detects if subteams are set up. If not, it offers to populate them with default values. Click Yes, and you can report on the schedule even though you haven't set up any subteams. Next, you enter report parameters. They control extracting and formatting the data for the report. Enter the report start date and end date. The date format is picked up automatically from your MPP. Report on future tasks. Enter the number of days to look ahead. Enter the time increment to report in either days or hours. And finally, subteams. They group data for reporting. This is what the list looks like after autofill, and this is what it looks like after you've customized subteams. The list is alphabetical and scrollable. Select one or more individual subteams, or you can click all subteams and then click OK to produce a report that looks like this. For each subteam, there are tasks due, tasks not done, tasks done, and tasks planned. And for each task, there is indicative data, there's % complete, there are dates, and work. Here are links for details.